Hi, my name is Dave Summers, and I posted this notice on Facebook, I think it was last week, and it says there 100% free access, easily earn over 100k this year with your own automated business system. Complete system and training yours for free. I just want to show you that it is an actual free system. I want to take you through the sign-up process so you can see the inside of what's awaiting you. So I'm just going to click on here for instant access. And I got to put an email address. That's what my email address is. So I click on get instant access. Successfully saved. So I'm going to put my first name in there, second name there, username, put that in, put a strong password in. So I got a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and characters. The username is already taken by another user, so I need to change that. I'll put in similar sort of username, so if I put try that one, and there we are. So you take to that page. Congratulations. To log into your Funnel Franchise Members area, simply click on the button below and use the details you created when you register. So let's click on that. So as you notice, there's no payment has been made. It's gone straight through registration. So I can just click on there. So my username will be that one. And that should be the password that I put in because it asked me to remember it. Let me just check that. Let's click on to remember me. Yes, your login details was always successful. Click here to proceed. Let's see what happens. Important, confirm your account. First time users only. So because I used a different email address, I'm classed as a first time user. So let's put my name in there. The email I set it up with. Click on send. And there we are. This is the home page for the Funnel Franchise system. As you can see, just about see a passive income marketing system. You got the home page, system setup, essential tools and resources, set up your income sources, set up your autoresponder. You got your promo links, funnel franchise promotional links, funnel franchise promotional material, how to set up a traffic link, how to get traffic. So you got quality traffic packs, solo ads, free traffic methods, more paid traffic sources, additional training, how to import and set up my Builder All Funnel, email marketing training, quite a lot of training there for email marketing, how to create a blog. So you got lots of videos there to create a blog. So look at one of those. Just click on that. So taking to one of these pages. Welcome to Phase 1 Personal Blog Creation. So you can see as I scroll down through there, there's quite a lot of training. And don't forget, all this training is absolutely free. You haven't paid a penny, and you're not going to pay a penny to get into the system. So let me just go back to the home page. It's quite easy to maneuver around this. Wherever you go, you've got system setup. Say, for example, set up your income sources. Wherever you go, set up income source number 3. Unit registry for domains. That's one place where you can actually join as an affiliate for nothing and actually get sales from other people on that. But wherever you go to on this page here, it's easy to get back onto the home page by clicking home. Now this system is by Mark Whiteley, and this is a system overview, is the first video. Just click on that, see if
Okay, first off I want to say welcome to the actual members area, and what we're going to do here is just give you a quick system overview. So basically explain what the system is about.
Okay, so that's Mark actually going through the first video, welcoming you to the Final Franchise system. So again, if you've got any questions regarding the system, just drop me an email. I'm at dave@davesdollars.com. So I hope this has been informative. And just to show you, there is no payment. You go straight through to all this amazing training. It's something I've engaged in, and I've learned a lot. I've been with it now for about a month, I think. And I've learned a lot from this training. So have a go, and again, let me know what you think. Well, the one thing I forgot to mention, you see my mother stop moving there, but the one thing I forgot to mention, I have made money on this system, and that was in the last month. So I hope you will be just as successful. Bye for now.